Hey everybody, Rob here for Southwest Florida Television. This is going to be your Friday morning dose of Delnor-Wiggins. I'm just north of parking lot number 3, and as you can see, it is absolutely glorious here this morning. Lots and lots of blue sky. A few clouds out there in the Gulf. 79, 80 degrees right now, gonna get up to about 90. The tide's just starting to come back in. The water temperature 87. Very quiet here with the park being closed. I've hardly seen anybody out here walking the beach, although you are more than welcome to walk the beach here. Just stay out of the interior of the park. Got a few little tidbits to share with you about what's going on. But first, before I do that, I'd like to give a shout out to our friends at Boat in Naples. If you'd like to see North Naples from the water, Boat in Naples is who you've got to call. Visit their website at boatnaples.com and check out all of the awesome tours that they offer. Dolphin watching is always best in the early morning. Island picnics and shelling, a lot of fun for the whole family, pet friendly of course. And the best news is, right now you can save 25% on your tour. Prepay now, tour later. You have a year to redeem your tour, but you must purchase by October 31st. And don't forget about our Southwest Florida Television Thursday evening sunset cruises. They're a lot of fun, complimentary beer and wine, a Slancha Irish whiskey sunset toast, quality time with me, a beautiful Southwest Florida sunset. What more could you ask for? But you have to call that number you see on the screen to get on board with us. You're not going to find this offer on their website. Hey, Boat Naples, great people. Captain Sandy is awesome. Hey, take advantage of that 25% savings before it's too late. So what's going on here? A couple of things that I can share with you that I've heard. One, some good news. Let's start out with the good news. There have been gopher tortoise sightings within the park. Rangers have been seeing gopher tortoises. That is always a concern when we have those high waters, so that is great news. What else? Well, they're working on getting all the sand out of the parking lots and off the main road. Apparently, this portion of the park, north of parking lot 3, is what got hit the hardest. 3 to 4 feet of sand in the roadway and parking lots. Man, I don't think they haven't even started working on it up here yet. They're starting out at the south end, making their way north. I don't know if they're going to reopen the parking lots in phases or what yet. That I haven't heard. But where I'm at, right here in Area 3, I'll pan back around. We're looking right across where the dunes used to be that was the main road, right out in there. Just a few weeks ago, I was driving up that road with Bad Bob for sunset, heading up to parking lot 4. Now it's nothing but sand. It's a shame because we just got all new paving and lines, everything. Brand new parking lots, 3 and 4. I hope they don't get destroyed. Something that the park wants you to be aware of, as that rope line, the barrier to keep you out of the dunes, is no longer here. Pretend it's there. Pretend there's an imaginary line. Stay out of the dunes.
Sorry.
Stay out of the park. Stay out of that area, please. If you look in the description of this post, you'll see the latest update from the park manager, our new park manager, CODY Peters. And of course, if you want to stay informed, keep up to date with what's going on here, follow Friends of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park on Facebook, Friends of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park. Join them, become a friend, volunteer. I don't think there's a lot for volunteers to do here right now. Maybe pick up trash back in the interior of the park. They got pushed up on shore and into the park. Great group of people, friends of Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park. Also, if you'd like to make a financial contribution to the park, you do it through the Friends organization. That's the fundraising arm and volunteer arm of the park. Oh, and by the way, down here at the south end of the park, Florida State Park Services with Delnor-Wiggins Pass State Park has a booth set up, just letting people know what's going on at the park. So if you come out here today, stop by and say hello. I love this place. I call this my little piece of heaven on earth, no matter what. Come hell or high water, I love this park. I wish you were out here walking the beach with me. Look at that incredibly bright and warm Florida sunshine. Earlier this morning, I was up at Wiggins Pass, my favorite place to be for sunrise. Check out these early morning colors up there. Look at this. Isn't that not glorious? And just a little bit later, as the sun was starting to come up, look at all the birds lined up at what I call the breakfast buffet. This would be the very northwest corner of the park at the point up by Wiggins Pass. Look at them all. What a beautiful sight to behold. Man. And look at it now, still a beautiful sight to behold. All that blue. The wind's kind of blowing offshore, so the surf is rather calm. I'll bet you I haven't seen 20 people yet this morning walking the beach, which is really unusual. All right, that's gonna do it for your Friday morning dose of Delnor-Wiggins. Again, check the description of this post and you'll see the latest update from our park manager, Corey Peters. Thanks for allowing me into your lives and onto your screens. Until next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and stay strong. Tally-ho, my friends, tally-ho. For Southwest Florida Television, I'm Robb Stan. May God bless you, your family, your friends, your fur babies, everything and everyone in your lives. And please, keep all of those affected by Hurricane Helene in your thoughts and prayers. And may God bless our wonderful, beautiful, and amazing country. God bless America. Tally-ho. Tally-ho.